Hey, what's up, guys? What's poppin'? It's your boy XO, and I'm gonna show you guys this live trade on SRP USD. So I saw this, this strong move. Not like I'm seeing it right now. This is a live trade. This is a live trade. So I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to trade. So what I did was I brought out my 200 EMA exponential moving average, and I wasn't looking at the 30-minute time frame. What I was just confirming the movement to the upside. So this was a strong movement to the upside. One, two, three, four candlesticks to the upside. I went down to the 15-minute time frame to get a much clearer picture. I still saw three candlestick move to the upside. I went down to the 10-minute time frame, just trying to confirm the move to the upside. I needed a clearer movement um of the 200 EMA line, and I was like, which charts, which markets would give me, which time frame would give me the best, the best entry. And I went down to the 5-minute time frame. Like, I just kept on checking till I finally found this 5-minute time frame, setup, which was to me, which was really beautiful, guys. A lot of bullish move to the upside. It's guys, it doesn't matter which time frame you get in on this trade. Like, you can see the 30 minutes broke out from the 200 EMA line. The 15 minutes broke out, the 10 minutes broke out, the 5 minutes broke out. Like, everything was just perfect, guys. So the reason why I got down to the 5-minute time frame was so I can get you know a faster entry. I would like call it faster entry, or a much more tighter stop entry, right? So I can get a much better deal, as some people will call it. So all I'm looking at now is I'm looking to take an aggressive setup. So let's say, for example, I want to risk like probably like 2% of my account. Okay, let me say 3%. And I have an aggressive style. So my aggressive way of trading would be, I would take the trade once price hits 50. I also get in on a trade once price hits 61. All right, so it all depends on how you trade. I have some students who like to trade at the 50, which is 0.50. I have some students who like to trade on the 0.61.8. Students who basically just like to be conservative and wait for an engulfing candlestick on this zone, but it must touch the 50 or the 61.8 before they even consider taking a trade. So let's wait for the move of this trade, and let's see if we of course, if we maybe consider taking a trade at this point, or if we use an aggressive style, which is at the 61.8. Guys, to me, the 61.8 is probably the best zone to take a trade. But if you're an aggressive trader, then maybe 0.5 is a good place to take a trade. But for me, I would like to take the trade 61.8. But since I'm having multiple entries, I've enter on the 0.6 and an engulfing candlestick. So let's just get that. I usually don't do multiple trades. Honest, guys, I hate entering multiple trades. But for some students who trade on the 50, I just don't know where you guys want to put your stops. Maybe your stops will be at the 60. So if we get taken out, it means the next trade will get triggered. So guys, this is something I offer students. Like, I'm even giving you guys this for free. It's crazy, guys. It's really crazy how I'm giving this thing away for free. But let me just help you guys. So if for some reason like we get taken out on this first trade, definitely, guys, the second trade is going to get triggered, and it's going to get live and running. So I wanted to, is very easy, a quick scalp for a 1 to 2. Like I used to say, it's easy for price to get to 1 to 1, 1 to 2, than for it to get to 1 to 3, 1 to 5. Like, I'm not saying this trade can get to 1 to 5. What I'm saying is it's way easier for us to get a better for a 1 to 2 real quick. Since it's a scalping strategy, this is 100% win strategy of $10 to $1,000. Best, easiest, insanely profitable 5 minutes, 1 minute for a scalping strategy, intraday trading strategy, stock indices, crypto, like whichever currency pair, whichever crypto, whichever commodity, crude oil, gold, silver, whatever the pair you're trading, or whatever the instrument, this trade, like this setup works. Like it literally works. All right. So let's wait for the result of this trade, guys. Alright guys, so this is that same setup I was showing you guys on the 5 minute time frame. But so I saw an engulfing candlestick on the 3 minute time frame. So I was like, okay, let me get in the trade at that point. And if I lose this trade, then I'll enter on my main level, which is the 50 and the 60 1.8. My stops just slightly below the engulfing candlestick wick, which is around that point. And I was targeting this highs, right? There's somewhere to bank in some low profits before price could fall and plummet to the downside. So as you can see, the price just literally flew up to that highs and gave us a decent amount of profit, and I had to close my trade at that point. And as you can see, the price went like further up. Look at this. Well, this is just speculation. If I could have taken profit, a staggering, I think a 25 to 1 on just one trade. So it's very unrealistic. At least almost a 6 to 1 on one trade. To me, that's a good return on your investment. That's pretty awesome. So guys, that's all for this video. I just want to show you guys how easy it is to trade. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. So please guys, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me what you want. Tell me if you understand this video, if you want me to make if you want me to explain this video in more details, or if you want something, if you want me to trade for you, if you want to learn how I trade one-on-one, then DM me on Instagram. Let's talk and get down to business. So you guys, it's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.